All right, this is the Extrude Hone Profile Series 200 abrasive flow machine, serial number F001163, built 2000.
Okay, so yeah, front control panel. Like I said, about the only thing that really has significance is the disconnect is up on the side after the control panel, and the books are right over there by you too on the table. It's currently wired 480 volts, three-phase of course. And we got the books. The rest of it is all self-contained. Really, hydraulics aren't back. There's not much else to see except the control and what's happening up here. We can fire it up and maybe take a little bit of media out of there. I've got a temporary tool here just to send some media through, so we use for demos. We'll start this thing up, reset maybe, and just gonna put this at maybe 60 or 80, just so it doesn't take too long. So this would be cycle counter, which I goofed up. Yeah, cycle. I don't need 80 cycles, do I? Let's go with 3 cycles. There we go. And here's media displacement, cubic inches at 120. Or we can maybe back off on this a little bit. Again, so it doesn't take a long time. The media is cold, so it's going to take a while to go up and down. Maybe just 80, up and down 2 sets. 80 cubic inches times 3 cycles. We're in manual still. We're fully unclamped. There's clamp. Hydraulics sound really nice. Unclamped. And we can send some putty up out of there too, advance the bottom, and take a look at the cylinder real fast. I think these are in pretty good shape, really, so let me take a couple inches off of there, maybe. Kind of roll that off to the side, send it back down. I got a light here, we can kind of... Yeah, this is really nice shape, and the top's the same way too, so yeah, there's not a mark on this, so... Yeah, there we go. So yeah, there's no scarring. Whoever had it took care of the piston ring, so that's all in good shape. That said, we'll try and lay this back in here and maybe run something here. So there we go. So put this guy up on top. That's just a couple, just some material with some slots cut in it so we can go through it, because we need back pressure for the machine to operate properly. So we'll come down on that, clamp it up. And when it's happy, I'll get the clamp close light on, and the booster pump kicks in here. And oh, you know what? I didn't put air on there. Hang on 1 second. We should get air on this thing. Yeah, let me plug this in. Works a lot better when you got an air line on there. Alright, air's on. Let's see how this works. That's clamp. And we can unclamp. Clamp back up again. Unclamp, that's all pretty good shape. So we're going to clamp up here. And I get the clamp close light. When you get that, that means the pressure switch is happy, and it'll let you cycle. So I just flip over to auto now, and it'll start shoving it through at the predetermined hydraulic pressure. So like it says, advanced bottom. We're up around 800, I think, something like that. Yeah, right around 800 PSI on the pressure gauge here. So we're starting to move. Not real fast, but it's moving. It goes up to 80, reverses, and it'll count 1 coming down. I can bring it up a little bit. That's about 1,000 there, so it's moving a little bit faster. We got 1,000 on the gauge right here, which is media pressure, so which is basically hydraulic pressure. And there's 80. Now we reverse. Top is coming down. We've done 1 cycle. 2 more, it'll finish up, and we'll open it up. one more cycle. And we're good to go here. Top's pushing down now, finishing up, shunning the media back down to the bottom cylinder, and that'll be it. Now they're both backing up. Back to manual, end of cycle, unclamp. Pretty much it. And it all goes back in and ready for another cycle. So
Good enough.
that's about it. Hydraulics off.